This video will walk you through the steps of setting up an election in EasyVote. From the home page, if you'll click on the Admin tab at the top, and then choose Election Setup, click. Then you'll go to New Election. Go ahead and make this your active election since it'll be the election that you're working in. The election name so that you'll know which election. I always put a month and a year and the type of election that it is. Go ahead and put in your county name. The early voting start, I would choose as the first day that I mail out early absentee ballots. This is so that all of your reports will pull in all of your ballots that you've mailed out. I would put the end date as the Friday after elections so that it will account for any UACAVA that comes in. Put in your election date. Your early voting start date and your advanced starting date should be the same date now that early voting and advanced is all the same. Registration cutoff date. Choose your election type. And then for this election that I'm setting up, it's actually a federal election, so I'll use all of my combos for my county. And then I'll click Save. Click OK. And if you'll notice, there's two green checks on your left side. If you want both elections to be active, that's perfectly fine. If you only want the July 2012 primary to be active, highlight your other election, uncheck your election as active box, and save your changes. Okay. Close the form. Anytime you add a new election or you change an election information, you should always go back to your home tab and log out. And then log back in. If you'll look at the bottom, it'll give you your username, the election that you currently have active, or elections, the file that you're working from, and the date the SOS file was updated. These are the steps to set up an election in EasyVote.